Today, I'm going to show you how to enable others to post on your timeline. If you want to share the spotlight with your friends and family, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. Under that, find Timeline and Tagging. You'll see an option that says who can post on your timeline. Tap on it. You can choose friends to allow your friends to post or friends except if you want to exclude specific people. Select your preferred option, then save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled others to post on your Facebook timeline.